Hi everyone, in the previous video we saw how mappings works. We did that with existing blueprints, existing data. Let's see today how we can add a new mapping inside a blueprint. Okay, let's go then. So we are working exactly on the same blueprint, the repository blueprint, and we saw in the previous video how easy it is to map data that we receive from our exporter here. So that's the data that we are receiving here. We got all our raw data, and then we saw in the mapping section how we can map that. Okay, but let's add a new property to our blueprint that will map with one of the data that we are ingesting from GitHub. Okay, and for that, let me check here. We will be grabbing, if I take a look here, we got a field called description. Okay, so this repo is save the planet by auto turn off your pods on Kubernetes. I would like to have this field also on my blueprint. So that's pretty easy. I just go here to my data model. Okay, repository, and I say I want a new property of the type string. Okay, and I call this description. There we go. I create it. That's cool. I got my new field. Now I need to map it. So really easy. I just go back to the data source here, and I go to the mapping section. Let me open that in big. And here, basically in my mapping, in the properties, I just add a new line, description, and I can map that to description. So dot description, because I see it's in the root of the raw data that I'm ingesting. Okay, I can close that, and then I will do save and resync. I'm in front of the button, but believe me, there's a button called save and resync. I'm doing that right now. Okay, cool. Let's see if it works. So if I go here to my catalog and I'm looking for repositories, let me go on the daily clean and look at this description, save the planet. Cool, it's working. Let's make sure it's working for the other one. Description, light, secure, pure JavaScript client. That's awesome. Okay, so in the next video, we will start exploring relation between blueprints. We will start easy by doing manual relations, and we will see, for instance, how we can reflect one field, which is on a blueprint, on another blueprint. Okay, we call that properties mirroring, but that's for the next videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.